Greetings, Saber fans. It's your old pal, Megtooth Sith. Got a special project here for you. This is going to be an Ultra Sabers Jade saber, and this is for Eric Wilkinson. The tough part for Eric is, this saber is actually for Eric's wife, and he said that what she wanted was that she wanted this specific control box. This control box is only designed for the 16mm switch, and the two holes here were the retention screws that held on the switch. So I had to mill down the control box so that the nut would fit on the switch. Look, it's a long story. The bottom line is I use these screw holes for the auxiliary switch right here, which is a micro tactile switch, and for a 1.3mm recharge port with a stock Custom Works twist and kill key for a 1.3mm recharge port. This, of course, is installed with TeensySaberV3 and Neopixels. The Neopixel adapter is way down here, so the blade depth is humongous. The blade retention is right here. This has an MHS V6 chassis. That's the cool thing about Ultra Sabers. Ultra Sabers being MHS compatible, the MHS V6 chassis works and it's captured, and this is powered by an 18650 battery. So without any further ado, let's fire this baby up. She's awesome. So to turn this saber on, you merely turn the kill key until the light comes on, and you'll hear the beep.
There's only one hand in the Empire, and I'm it.
Jade. Now the background music. To get the background music, you press and hold the main button, long press, and let it go while the saber's off. That'll start your music, and then boom, ignite the saber. To get a lockup, you press and hold either the main button or the auxiliary button and hit a clash. There's your lockup. Clash. Blaster blocks, using the auxiliary button to get the blaster blocks. Now, you can also hold the main button to get lockup. And to get drag, you hold the main button and point the saber down. And then only the tip is in lockup. Next font.
As long as I'm fighting, I'm not dying. And I'm not done fighting just yet.
Jade Fireblade, purple. You can see the purple Fireblade there. And the clashes go up the blade with the fire. Here's your lockup. Retraction.
No, but it's what I'm going to do.
This is a Wonder Woman font, and here's the music for Wonder Woman. Yellow blade, ignition. Clash, lockup. Blaster blocks. Retraction. Next font.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
This is Kylo Ren Fireblade, and there's background music, which is Kylo Ren's theme. I'm not going to play that, but here's the Fireblade. To K-Sys Crossguard, which is awesome. As most of y'all know, lockup. There's your lockup. Blaster blocks. Retraction. Next font.
Join me, and together we can rule the galaxy as father and son.
This is K-Sys Vader with Imperial March as the background music. Block. Tip drag. Blaster blocks. Retraction. Next font.
Be careful not to choke on your aspirations, Director.
Here's Rogue One Vader. Oh boy, here comes Vader. Force sound. Press and hold the main button. That was Vader slashing the guy on the roof. Getting the guns. Going through the door. Tantive 4 launches. Saber retracts. Rogue One Vader, you're in the movie. Next font.
I'm from the Resistance. Your sister Leia sent me.
Rage.
I need your help.
This is Rage Jedi training. This is, in my opinion, K-Sith's finest font. Deep Sky Blue, it's awesome. Lock up. Blaster blocks. Getting blaster blocks by pressing the auxiliary button. Retraction. Next font.
In time, you will know what it's like to lose. To feel so desperately that you're right, yet to fail all the same.
The Avengers. Green Blade. Lock up. Blaster blocks. Tip drag. Oops. Tip drag. Retraction. Next font.
You know what? There's another name you might know me by. Star-Lord. Who? Star-Lord, man.
Guardians of the Galaxy. Here we go. Boom. Purple blade. Lock up. Tip drag. Retraction. Next font.
Truth is, I am Iron Man.
Very special blade. Background music, Iron Man themes. Ignition. This is red, orange, gold. Iron Man colors. Smoothswing, everything on here is Smoothswing. Lock up. Tip drag. Blaster blocks. Retraction. Next font. Oh boy. This is the customer's thing. This ain't Megtooth Sith. You know Megtooth Sith don't like no Britney Spears. Only Metallica. But Britney Spears, oh my god. The Britney Spears font. Here we go. Ignition. Hot pink blade. Lock up. Blaster blocks. I can't do that.
Luke Skywalker.
Luke Skywalker, traditional. Here we go. Push him in. R2 throws the lightsaber at Luke. He catches it. Boom! He's blocking blasters. Happy. I've got some improvements to do on this, but there's your rainbow blade. Happy in the background. Rainbow blade, baby. I'll fix that font. I put this blade on all my sabers. This is Megtooth Sith's lightning blade to the balance. This is such an awesome blade. It's very videogenic. It is freaking awesome, man. It's just as awesome in person, maybe even better than it is on video. There's your lockup. Blaster blocks. Tip drag. Retraction.
You got the touch. You got the power.
Battery blade, there you go. Right here she blows, battery's fully charged, you're on a mission. This one has lots of different stuff.
There's only one hand in the Empire, and I'm it.
Back to Mara Jade. Boom, purple blade. Everything smooth swing. This saber is awesome. Let me know if you have feedback on those blades. I think she's good to go. Building your blade for this tonight. Had to test it with one of my 1-inch blades, but building your blade tonight. And it's awesome. So by the way, this Saber Experts. This is Saber Experts Neopixel blade. This is their Lambertian blade that I built, and it came out pretty awesome. Just in some of the lighter colors, there's some pixelation, but on the blade that I'm going to build you, we'll make sure that there is no pixelation. So I'm going to turn the saber off by twisting the kill key. Bada boom. Easy peasy Japanesey. Hope you like it, Eric.